Hey you guys, my name is Brittany and I love you. I want you. I need you. To hit subscribe, you guys, and press the bell on the side to get notified when I upload new videos and share this video with everyone. So y'all, today I got my baby Joanna in here.
Hey guys.
And we're gonna do this no burping challenge. She saw it on TikTok before. I've done it before by Jaleel Odoms. Y'all, I got a Sprite. Tell me what you got, Joanna.
And I got Coca-Cola. Here, try some of her drinking Coca-Cola. Here you go.
So y'all, the only rule is to not burp. Drink as much as you can without burping. So y'all, we're gonna start it off. I hope y'all having a great day today. And y'all, before we start, Joanna has a
little shout out for someone. And that is Skylar Rogers.
Hey Skylar. Skylar is in her 2nd grade class. So yes, y'all, that was Joanna's shout out. So we're gonna get right into this challenge. You ready, Joanna?
Yeah.
So no burping. Cheers. So y'all be listening, see if anybody let a little burp out. Ready?
Wait.
You can drink much as you can.
100% jar.
Or less as you can. You just can't burp.
Oh my god, I'm about to burp.
Swallow it. Did you burp?
No. Like some. It's just me or this can of Coke is almost done. I think it's done. Bobby.
Still got a lot in there.
It's like we're just taking little baby steps.
Yeah, you can take much as you want. Now mine's almost done.
Oh, gee.
Oh, but I feel it.
They get to do, I don't know.
You haven't burped yet, huh? I thought I heard something.
This is so hard. Now I got 1 strike. Man. You need 3 strikes. If you get 3 strikes.
Mine's almost gone.
Man,
You get 3 strikes. No, it don't go like that. Just a little bit, little drips. But I drunk all mine without burping, y'all.
Oh my god. I'm about to puke.
Excuse me, y'all. Excuse me 3 times. So, y'all, that's the end of this challenge. Joanna tried, huh? Yeah, you got to let it out. They won't stop. You're still going to. How your stomach feel since you let all those burps out?
Good.
Well, y'all, we had a good time doing this video. We hope y'all enjoyed it. If y'all did, thumbs it up, you guys. Hit subscribe, you guys. Press like, y'all. Thumbs this video up, you guys. Leave a comment.
And our goal is 1 million subscribers and 1 million views.
Yeah, so y'all get us to 1 million subscribers and 1 million views. We'd love to see that, honey.
Because we want a silver or gold play button, dude. And we get one of those 2 play buttons, then we'll do a special video for you guys.
Okay,
we'll
y'all.
do it theirs, maybe.
Oh, y'all heard it here first. So, y'all have a good day, and we'll see y'all in the next video. Peace. Love you guys.